Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing rational expressions to lowest terms in this video, we will be focusing on a specific problem. Reducing the rational expression 3x squared minus 6x divided by 3x. Join us as we walk through the step-by-step process to simplify this expression. Let's get started. Step 1. To reduce the rational expression 3x squared minus 6x over 3x to its lowest terms, we first look for common factors in the numerator and the denominator. The numerator is 3x squared minus 6x. Notice that both terms in the numerator share a common factor of 3x. To factor out this common term, we take 3x out of each part. Factoring 3x squared, we get 3x times x. Factoring 6x, we get 3x times 2. So, the factored form of the numerator is 3x times x minus 2. Thus, 3x squared minus 6x becomes 3x times x minus 2. The denominator is already in its simplest form, which is 3x. Now, the expression in its factored form is 3x times x minus 2 over 3x. Step 2. With the expression now factored, we have 3x times x minus 2 over 3x. The next step is to simplify the expression by cancelling out any common factors in the numerator and the denominator. In this case, both the numerator and the denominator share a common factor, which is 3x. When we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3x, we cancel them out, just like how 2 divided by 2 equals 1. This simplification leaves us with x minus 2 over 1. Since any number or expression divided by 1 is the number or the expression itself, x minus 2 divided by 1 is simply x minus 2. Thus, the rational expression 3x squared minus 6x over 3x simplified to its lowest terms is x minus 2. And this is the final step. So, the final simplified expression is x minus 2.